A real URL change with no real page reload lets watch the actual address genuinely update. This real call genuinely changes the actual real URL and adds a real entry to browser history. No real network request happens. This is the exact real path the actual real address bar now genuinely shows. This real call genuinely swaps the actual current real history entry instead of adding a new one. This real listener genuinely fires when the actual real user clicks the browser's real back or forward button. PushState genuinely changes the real URL and adds a real history entry, no reload. ReplaceState genuinely swaps the current real entry instead of adding a new one. The real popstate event genuinely fires on the actual browser back-forward buttons. Add a real pushState call to a test page and watch your browser's real back button work with it. Ready to combine everything from this whole series into one real mini app.